So today we are going to start our first episode of what questions on what applied electricity. So we'll start from a very small question and graduate gradually till we get to the complex questions. Okay. So these are our first questions, and then I will really appreciate that you pause the video and try to solve it and put it on the comment section and proceed to the end and check if your results is right. Okay. Okay. So the questions go by find the total resistance in figure 1. So this is actually the figure, right? Okay, so let's do that. First of all what you need to be able to identify when you have a question like this is to know see questions or the resistances that are in series and the resistances that are in parallel. We see that resistances are in series when only one current passes through. So realize that at this path we have only one current that is passing through the path. So that means these two resistances are in series. We can redraw the same circuit in this form where we have resistance 1 and 2. This one is 4 ohms and the other one is also what? 2 ohms, right? And then we have another resistance which is the 3 ohms in series with the what? The voltage source. And the voltage source is actually 9 volts. And then we have another resistance that are parallel to the first circuit, which is what? 6 ohms, right? So we know that if you have a circuit like you could actually add these two resistances together, right? So let's redraw the circuit nicely and then result them. Okay. So if we add the two resistances together, we're going to get what? A resulting value of 6 ohms and then another resistance in parallel or in series with the what? The 9 volts. So we have 3 ohms and then we have this. So anytime you are resolving resistances or circuit elements, you have to always start with where there is no source, okay, so that things becomes more easier for you. Okay, so let's solve it together. So realize that the 6 ohms and the other 6 ohms here are in power. How do we know they are in power? I always say that what circuit elements are in power when the number of its elements are connected directly together. That is when they share the same voltage source. Whereas that this particular 6 volt has what? 2 terminals, that is this side and the other side. And this one also has 2 terminals. You realize that the 2 terminals are directly connected together. That means that what? They are in power. So we can resolve them. So we have 6 power 6. And mostly questions like this, they always put it in a way that you'll be able to use the shortcut to solve it. And we say that anytime we have a number of resistances in power such that their values are all the same, we just take one of them and divide by the number of resistances. So here, so the number of resistance, here we have 2 resistances, right? Total resistance is 6 ohms. Number of resistance is what? 2. So that will give us 3 ohms. Or you could go by 6 power 6. That will give us what? The product of it over sum. So 6 times 6, all on what? 6 plus 6, okay. All on 6 plus 6, okay. So that will give us our 3 ohms as well. So after we are done with this, we will get what? A resulting circuit of what? 3 ohms here. And then we have the voltage source. And then we have our resistance here. The resistance has what? A resistance value of what? 3 ohms here. Okay. So 3 ohms is now in series with this resistor, right? So the total resistance in the circuit, since we have it in series, we just add it. Will be what? The resistance 3 ohm plus another resistance 3 ohm. And that will give us 3 plus 3. So the total resistance is actually what? 6 ohms. Okay. So that is all. The question says if you have any question, you could put it in your comments. This is our first question, and then only today we are going to solve about 30 questions and then we move gradually. If you solve more questions, you'll be able to do any questions that will come your way. Bye and stay practice. Okay.